fire blocking inspection, and this is in the code section R30211. This stuff stops fire and smoke from racing through concealed spaces in the house. Here's where it needs to be. Fire blocking cuts off vertical and horizontal draft openings, prevents fire from moving between floors and through wall cavities. Platform framing helps, but you still need fire blocking in certain key locations. Stud walls, fire blocking at ceiling and floor levels, cuts off vertical pathways through wall cavities. Maximum 10 feet between horizontal fire blocks and walls. Can't let fire travel long distances between floor joists at each floor level and where soffits and drop ceilings meet the structure. Stair stringers at the top and at the bottom. Around utility penetrations, pipes, ducts, wires, fire blocking around chimneys must be non-combustible material. Regular fire blocking materials aren't enough here. Openings around pipes, ducts, and wires need to be sealed. Material doesn't have to be non-combustible, just needs to resist fire and smoke passage. And the approved materials, you got 2-inch nominal lumber, 1/2-inch gypsum board, mineral wool bats, glass fiber bats, cement-based millboard, approved cellulose insulation, loose fill only if tested and approved. So here's what I'm looking for. Missing blocking at required locations, gaps around utilities that aren't sealed, and wrong spacing, over 10 feet between horizontal blocks, and combustible materials around the chimneys. The common problems I see, well, the stair stringers not blocked, utility penetrations left open, and horizontal spacing too wide, interconnected spaces not properly separated. Platform framing has an advantage. Each floor is a separate platform, naturally creates horizontal barriers, but you still need fire blocking within the platform. The fire blocking needs to be tight, no gaps or voids, and the materials properly packed around the utilities. Integrity maintained throughout the building life. Now, why does all this matter? Because fire spreads fast through concealed spaces. Proper blocking buys time for occupants to escape. So, check ceiling and floor levels, 10-foot spacing, utility penetrations, stair stringers, no gaps, proper materials. On to the next inspection.